making the Coachella Valley a better place to live. This is KMIR 6 News at 11.
Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Thalia Hayden. As pet owners travel this holiday season, many are turning to kennels to board their furry friends. But as KMIR 6's Jessica Flores explains, one local business is bringing a new meaning to doggy daycare.
It's a stress-free zone where dogs run through dirt, over obstacle courses, and listen to commands.
Doggy camp with structure.
With no signs of cages and no overflow of pets, you almost wouldn't know this is a dog boarding facility. Pet owner Linda Christian worried about leaving her German Shepherd Maxine caged up in a kennel. So when she needed to leave town, she opted for the Doggy Dude Ranch instead.
We wanted her to have a play yard, have playmates.
Playmates at a place pet owners say their dogs get extra care. Dogs are content to stay and well behaved when it's time to go home.
Her reaction when she was here was more reassuring for us to leave.
Doggy Dude Ranch owner Kat Todd says she left a job as a teacher to take care of dogs full time after her own troubling experience at a kennel.
The smaller dog was skittish. They had kept both of them in the same cage.
She says her love for animals developed as a child growing up in Tennessee.
I was an only child, so I guess my pets were my friends.
Furry friends that now start her day at 6 a.m.
We play with them until they're ready to go back in. They rest, and then when they get up, we're back at it again.
They not only board dogs like Sammy here, they also train them. Watch this. Sammy, goodbye, goodbye. Good boy, good boy.
Every time we leave her, she comes back much, much better.
Todd says her prices are competitive at $40 a night and worth every penny. Doggy Dude Ranch only accepts 8 pets at a time, giving each pet the attention it needs.
I personally will always have that little family touch, Southern hospitality, if you would. I want the dogs to have fun.
A fun camp for dogs, where a man's best friend can meet some of her own doggy friends too. Jessica Flores, KMIR 6 News.
Thank you, Jessica.